indicated that the respondents in that application did not file any replying affidavits, through which these materials would then be introduced before you.
My Lord, it is part of the record. The record.
The material which is in the court portal is part of court record.
Your Lordship,
If it is not on the portal, it's okay. If the material is in court portal, it's part of the court record.
Your Lordship, there's
Mr. Ndegwa,
Just for good order, my lord, let me make progress. Then we know, because we access the portal through particular case numbers, in which case file is this material available, that we can just log in and be able to see it.
My Lord, it is not in my place. We start educating, demonstrating my friends what files to do. Because this is the portal. I would have had no other way of accessing.
Professor, can you just give us a reference?
Yes,
for purposes of clarity?
Yes, my Lord, 05, we have 3 cases that are consolidated. We have accessed the portal in E015 of 2024, a transmission from Claire Wanyama, and E014 is consolidated. We have this material, we are aware of it. We have even gone further, my Lord, and served or passed on the communication to my land. It is in the public domain, my Lord. We could not have secured this communication anywhere else.
Sorry, do you mean to say that what you're holding is filed on CTS?
It is,
Does it have a date and time?
It is in the, what I have here is a copy of the CTS, the reference of the Chief Justice Office. We only accessed it from the portal.
We are requesting straightforward. There's an internal memo we've just been given here. My colleagues are saying it's on the portal. If we knew the case number which it was, we would have verified it. The other option would have been for my colleagues who are working a particular application this afternoon, have they filed an affidavit valid this document? Truth of the matter is that documents in the CTS have a timestamp, as my lady points out. The document we are having here does not have a similar timestamp. We're just saying, show us where it is so that we authenticate, then we make progress. It doesn't make sense to demean the rest of us when you're asked to authenticate. You do precisely that, you authenticate.
But also I can confirm that it is even the physical file. The document, the physical file. So that my learned friends do not have it, or that they are shocked that the Chief Justice is not in the country, should be a point for response. They can respond and say, we saw the Chief Justice around. That's a process for development. My Lord, if I may raise my time, they will have time to respond. Yes, the judicial portal.
My lady, I asked a specific question. We want to know in which case file in the portal, because that's the submission my colleague has made, there's this internal memo. First, I want to know the internal memos are normally in the portal. I'll be glad to learn. But more importantly, in which case file is this internal memo so that we can authenticate? That's simple. My colleague Dan will say it is in the portal. He has a duty to furnish us with the particulars.
We have indicated, my lords, that it is in the physical file. My life frame is in the module specifically addressing them so that I can proceed.
Your Lordship, would you kindly give us a ruling on our objection?
Please, the applicants, when you are submitting, the respondents gave you time. Please just give them time to make their submissions. You are going to respond. There will be time for you to make a recommendation.
My lord, the proceedings before you are in the public interest. They are in the public interest, and therefore the question of time management and the need for expeditious disposal of the application before you cannot be overstated. My lords and your lordships, time and again, my friends have submitted that whereas this court can sit at odd hours where it receives an application, that in matters as mundane as the current matter before you, that this court should have had this matter in the course of the day. Because, no doubt, my lord, this court has moved to the electronic age where matters are transmitted through mail and through other forms. My lord, but most fundamentally, we are here to challenge ex parte orders, not inter parte orders, not orders given inter partes. And Malayan friends therefore cannot speak from both sides of the mouth that where you are dealing with matters of the impeachment of the deputy president, such as this, that ex parte orders cannot be issued, yet they obtained ex parte orders that necessitated the filing of the application before you. My Lord, what we're dealing with here is a removal under Article 145, and which the law defines as final under Article 145(7) of the Constitution. When therefore Malayan friends submit about the office of the Deputy President, they seem to forget that Article 145(7) refers to the finality of the Act of Senate. And therefore,